Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete messages on Instagram. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Instagram. Now from Instagram, you're going to click on the messenger icon on the top right corner. Then you're going to navigate to whatever chat you want to delete a message on. Then let's say I want to go on to a specific message that I want to delete. Let's say this, and I am going to hold on it for a time for just 2 seconds. And as you can see, you can find something called unsend. Click on it, and as you can see, I've successfully unsent the message. Now you can only unsend messages that you sent. So if I go onto another message and I want to unsend it, there's only just report. Unlike other messenger apps like WhatsApp or Telegram, you can't do that. And yeah, if I go onto this message, as you can see, I can find also unsend. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.